What does it take to effectively execute good marketing? How can an enterprise best utilize marketing efforts to promote its own brand? Hi, I'm Willem Osich. Welcome to BotSplash TV, where I'll be giving a basic overview of marketing efforts. Marketing is essential for a company or enterprise when it comes to brand value and promotion. Marketing efforts as simple as social media posts can provide a much-needed boost for a company's image both on and off social media. At BotSplash, our marketing team harnesses the power of monthly newsletters to not only promote the company, but also to creatively expand the look and feel of how BotSplash markets itself. Monthly newsletters are a great piece of marketing content, as they allow for subscribers and followers to be frequently updated with what's going on with a company. Typical social media sites such as LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram are great marketing outlets. Posting frequently and featuring graphics of company photos, products, services, testimonials, and more establishes a presence, and that presence alone can make a company seem more sociable and active. I hope that this basic overview of marketing has shown that even the simplest of marketing efforts can prove beneficial for a company. I'm Willem Osich. Thank you for watching BotSplash TV.